Good morning, everybody. This happens to be one of our Chevy 383 strokers. This one came out beautiful. It's nice powder blue custom paint job. We even painted the valve covers. We don't want to put them on until we custom make the wires. This is going to get a pulley system on also. We didn't want to put that on until this motor was done dynoing. It runs fantastic. It made about 475 on a 450 build and made about 520 foot-pounds of torque. If you're interested in any one of our motors, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. If you're looking for a true turnkey engine, custom built, you found us. Thank you. That's a high idle circuit. Come up. Comes down to our